Do not laugh. I'm lying to you. How do I expect you to know what I mean when I don't even know what I mean? Hi, how is everyone doing? Thank you so much for being here. This is something I've never opened before. It's not relevant to now, and it's sold out currently. But I thought maybe if you saw what was in it, when it comes up again, because they do put them out a few times a year, what I was going to say is you can get an idea of what's in them. I personally did not look at the back. It shows you what the products are. If I'm disappointed, it's my own fault. But you can see what they are. You can see the presentation, and it might be something that you might be interested in. And you, as a smart consumer, would probably look at the products before you purchased it. I got it for half price because I wasn't going to pay full price. I don't pay full price for things. Here it is. This was for Valentine's Day. It's called the Love Beauty. It is from CVS. I have seen one for Christmas. When else did I think I saw one? No, for Valentine. It was for something. But it's cute. This is actually sturdy. And again, they show you the things in the back. I'm not going to look. It has supposedly, Kefir, a value of over $76. I got it for $15.25. And it was originally $30.49. $30.49, like, that's just a weird price. So let's cut her open. Inside it says, "You're beautiful." Isn't that cute? Here's what she looks like. Where shall I start? Let's start on the end. Okay, this is from Tree Hut, and it is the Vanilla Bean Foaming Gel Wash. Nice, and this is a cute little travel size. It's 3.3 ounces. How much can you take on a plane these days? I don't even know anymore. What scent is that? That's vanilla? I mean, I get the slightest, teeniest, tiniest hint of vanilla. I don't care really much how it smells. Well, no, I'm lying to you. I absolutely do. The next thing is this. Don't know what it is yet. How do they expect people to read this? Good chemistry. Not that vanilla body mist. I'm going to let that sit. Initially, I liked it. It does have a hint of vanilla. Smells more vanilla-y than this does. And on the bottom, it says bergamot, cocoa bean, smoky amber. Ooh, not as smoky, but I like it. Oh, I like this. This is from Nivea, and it is their hyaluronic acid, almond oil, deep nourishing serum. That's a lot of words. Essentially enriched body lotion. And this you're getting 2.5 fluid ounces. And yes, I'm going to try this because I have always loved Nivea. It's thick and it's creamy, even though it's on the thin consistency. There's nothing worse than applying layer after layer of cream and like it does nothing for you whatsoever. So far, this is absolutely worth my $15. And the next thing is the NYX Butter Gloss. I'm so happy because I had to throw a couple of them out because of course they went rancid. It's in creme brulee. Does it have a cinnamon flavor? Now I did have something on my lips. These are a little bit milky, but I think if you use it like a gloss and not try to get an opaque application from it, I think it works. It's sheer enough for me, especially when I put it on the way I did. You know how much I despise lip colors on me? And I think this looks pretty nice. You don't have to lie to me, by the way. If it looks like caca, make sure you tell me. Ooh, and the next thing is a baby Aquaphor. Well, actually, they sell this size. Immediate relief for severely dry lips. I don't just use this on my lips. I will put it underneath my eyes. I will just put it everywhere. I take that back. Look what else I got. What the hell is it? It's the Maybelline Lifter Liner. Hold that thought. You want to know what I had on before? This is what I was wearing before I put the NYX on. How funny is that? This is an 07 Big Lift. I thought it had. I just broke my lip liner. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a really pretty color. Oh, please let this work for me. Please, please, please. Okay, if I can play with it correctly. So because my lips are very uneven, are we not surprised? So I don't usually line my lips or draw attention to them. I think the color's nice. I think it is. I was a little too excited there. Let me try on, where's the, oh, here it is. Let me try the gloss on top of it. That is a really, okay. Did they make it for this? Well, if anyone is interested, let me tell you what color this is. This is 004 Silk. Again, it is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is from e.l.f. and is a full size, obviously. Wait, hold on. Can I do the influencer thing? I can't stand it. I can't watch any beauty advertisements on Instagram or TikTok. Only my friends and all my friends' friends, because I can't take it. It drives me insane. This is a multi-chrome, monochromatic multi-stick in Luminous Berry. It says it's for lips, eyes, and face. Oh, that's pretty. It's very smooth, you know. I said in the last video that I was going to try on the bronzer that I received. Did I do it? No, I did not. Oh, that's a really pretty berry color. I've been liking the deeper berries lately. This is really, really creamy. So I don't know how it would work like on your eyes. It may not stay. Best application? Nope. I put this makeup on 14 hours ago. Not bad for off the cuff. Really, really pretty color. I like it. Oh, by the way, I did see these online, like Mercari and on Walmart. I wouldn't buy them there. They're upcharging on the price, and I don't trust anything from private sellers on Walmart. The next thing we did get is from Maybelline, and it is the oldie but goodie, the pink and the green, the Great Lash, what is it called? The big mascara. I'm not going to open it. I have a bunch of older ones that I'm going through. I am going to keep this because this was one of my first loves. So I always have good memories from it and with it. And yeah, I can't wait to show you all of the mascaras that I have gone through when I actually do like my empties, or I'm going to do something. I don't know, but I'm going to do something. Oh, yay! This is from CoverGirl, and it is the Yummy Gloss. I have to go get the one that my friend Julie from Wygo Warrior gave me. It is almost done. Julie, I can tell you, I finally smell and taste the coconut. This one is called My Main Squeeze. If you haven't tried these, they're fantastic. Okay, here's the one that she gave me, and it's, you can see I'm like down to not much. I'm going to be scraping it pretty soon. And this one was Coconuts, what? Coconuts About You. A Main Squeeze makes it sound like it's something like fruity. And you can see this one was just like almost a clear pinky. This one may have like a little bit more color to it. I'm so excited. You know that in my mind, I thought these were all going to be samples, which is why I was skeptical about the price. These are all full-size things, but they most definitely sell these products as is. This is the Creme Shop Heart Leaf. Oh, because it's like for Valentine's Day. Soothing for Soothe Hydrated Skin Comfort Fit Sheet Mask. Ooh, I love these. The Pixie Skin Treats Detoxify Caffeine and Cucumber. And there's one thing left. It's from L'Oreal and is the Lumi Le Glace. It's a highlighter stick illuminator. Do I want to open it? Yes, I think I do, because I really want to do like a drugstore get ready with me. Do not laugh. The get ready with me's, I have to tell you, are really difficult, and I'll explain that in another thing. Some of you may understand, some of you may not. It's been really, really difficult. Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness. I didn't expect it to be like that. Oh, this is pretty. Probably use this like all over my face like the other one because it's so subtle. You know, I'm a mess anyway. Should I do it? Why the heck not, right? So you can put it right onto your face. I don't know if it disrupted the product underneath. I'll have to see in editing if it did. Now let me take it on my finger and tap it in. Always the middle finger. If you like just a shiny, pretty, not overly done highlighter, I think you're going to like this. Oh my goodness. Even without doing the math, I can definitely say worth my $15.25 without a doubt. I can't wait to see if it equaled the $74.50 that they said the value was. Now the question is to you, would you have paid the $31 or so full price for these products? I look forward to your thoughts about that. Now that you know what these types of things are like, maybe you'll look for them. I will be on the lookout. If I see one, I'll let you guys know. I'm rambling at this point. I like all the things that you guys have to say. You know that you're all... Hold on, wait a second. I should have checked. Yeah, that's just me. What was I saying? I look forward to your thoughts. I love you guys tremendously. You're all amazingly wonderful people. Oh, for goodness gracious sakes, I think I should make this my last video. I love you guys. I will see you really soon in the next one. Much love. Bye.